guys, welcome back to our channel. My name's Kindle.
My name's Pacey.
My name's Ryder.
And today we are going to be reviewing some of our fidgets. So let's get started. First, we have the color changing puzzle ball. And you put the colors into the empty spaces and then you try and solve it.
Match it up.
And you want it to go back into this color ring, like that. Here, Pacey. And then we have the infinity cube. You can keep changing this back and forth for a long time. Here. And then we have the pop tube. You can stretch it out, and it's loud, and you can put it back together and pop it again. And then we have the monkey noodles. And there you go. Ooh. And these can stretch really, really, really far.
Really far.
And then they come back and you can stretch them. And you can play with this whenever you'd like. And then we have the Neato. You can play with this whenever you're stressed out, or you can just play with it whenever. And this is like really satisfying, and it also makes a fart sound.
So like you.
Sometimes it makes a fart sound.
Yeah. Hey, now I'm supposed to do it too.
Nope.
Not right now, I'm too tired.
But you can pop it out, and there's white, you can see the white stuff. Then it goes back in. And then we have the marble mash, and you can play with this for a long time, because you can put it back in and pull it out, and it has a marble inside. You can move it back and forth. And then we have the mini Rubik's Cube, and you can try and solve it. We already have the white side done, but we don't have any other sides.
Yeah.
And then we have the tangle. You can push it together, you can stretch it back out, you can move the pieces into different spots, and you can if you get a bunch of these and put it together, it will make a really long one. And then introducing
All the magnets.
pockets. The pockets. We have 2 watch pockets. Well, we have 3. We have this one that's a little bit mini, and then we have
The bear.
And then we have this one. It's a little bear. You can hang it on your backpack or your purse. And we have 2 bracelet ones.
Yeah.
You can put it on your wrist,
And you can
pop it, and then you can turn it over and pop it again.
Next.
And then you have the Christmas tree poppet. This is probably my favorite poppet because it pops really good.
Yeah, it does.
And then we have our biggest one that we have is the star poppet. It doesn't pop the best, but it's really big and sparkly. And then we have a camo poppet. It's in the shape of a circle. And you can pop it. This one doesn't work the best either, but it works. And then we have our 2 unicorn ones. And if you look closely on this one, it has like the letters on it.
Yeah. It's the ABC.
Like the ABCs. And this one doesn't. And these pop really good. It just, on both sides, it pops really, really good. It's my favorite. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications.
Bye, guys.